And it's Ken Kreitzer for Sons of the American Legion Radio at the United States Military Academy on Projects Day. We've got two more of our senior mechanical engineers here who have a very interesting project that have helped some workers at a packing facility nearby. And maybe we could have the two cadets just start by introducing yourself and obviously you're a mechanical engineer. Where are you from?
I'm Cadet Rex Shake. I'm from Mountaintop, Pennsylvania.
That's great. What part of the Army are you heading to?
Engineer, sir.
That's great. That's great. And Cadet, what is your name and where are you from?
I'm Cadet Cruz Machumbu, and I'm actually a foreign student. I'm from the Republic of Gabon in Central Africa. And in 23 days, I'll be heading back home to serve as Army Aviation Officer.
That's great. Good to see you. And so you've got an interesting project. Maybe you could explain a little bit about how you came up with this project and the solution you came up with.
Sure. So we're working with Access Supports for Living. It's a nonprofit in Middletown, New York, and they employ workers with disabilities. Now, some workers can't package bottles in a certain pattern. They need to achieve this pattern in order to send it out. So essentially what we did was we created a template. Now we tested this template and saw 100% accuracy, and workers were even fast enough to work right on the line. So it's a great project. It's out there helping people right now, and it was altogether just a great experience.
That's good. Maybe I could ask our cadet here, just explain how did you come up with this kind of solution? It sounds very creative what you did and very useful for this company and the workers there.
So we went to on-site Access Support for Living in order to understand the problem. We talked to the management team and the workers to kind of get the feel of what they needed the solution to look like. And we looked at the bottles and we just realized that a single bottle was surrounded by 6 different bottles. So that kind of helped us to come with a hexagonal shape. And from the hexagonal shape, we just built up a template with legs to support the whole template and to kind of guide the workers to simply input the bottles and to make the process more fast and more expeditive.
Very nice. Now, maybe you could just hold up the item there, and again, just describe it a little bit more so our audience will understand exactly what you came up with here.
Sure. So each hexagon here marks where each bottle should go. Additionally, there's bumpers on the sides to mark where a bottle shouldn't go. Again, we must achieve this staggered pattern, so marking where a bottle should go and shouldn't go is essential to achieving what we need to. Also, we have our ergonomic handles here. These handles help with getting the template in and out of the box. Lastly, we have these supporting legs that attach to the vertex of these hexagons and support the entire template.
That's great. Now, just if you would, tell us a little bit about going into the Corps of Engineers. Certainly one of the original directions for West Point grads was always engineering. Tell us a little bit about why you selected the Corps of Engineers and what you'll be doing there.
Yes, sir. So as a mechanical engineer, I'm surrounded by engineers daily, and I really bought into the philosophies there, and I'm excited to take what I learned here out into the real Army. I hope to be a combat engineer as a sapper platoon leader, and that's always what I wanted to do from when I first applied to West Point through up till now, and it's finally becoming a reality. I'm excited to do so.
Absolutely, and our best wishes to you from everyone in the American Legion. And got to ask our cadet who is going to be heading back home in less than a month. Just tell us, coming in from an allied country, what the West Point experience has been like for you.
It's been more than I expected because I didn't know a lot about the military before I came here. And then just being here for 4 years, meeting great people and having to train with the best of the best, they just give me the tool to go back home and actually make a difference. When I come here, it's arguably the best leadership school in the world. And just being able to be here with so many great people, so many great staff and faculty, I feel like I'm gifted and blessed to just enjoy the 47-month experience and go back and give back to my country.
Absolutely, and just tell us again where you're from, what town, and your country again.
So again, my country is Gabon, G-A-B-O-N, right in the center of Africa, and this is a really small French-speaking country. So it was just a culture shock to come to America, learn a new language, and then become a mechanical engineering, and then here we are, project days, 23 days remaining.
What is it like for you just to, did you get a chance, I'm sure you've got a chance to visit New York City. What is it like to visit New York, other parts of America?
It was different because I've been in New York City. I mean, 47 months at West Point, so I've been in New York City quite a lot. And then I went down south to Texas, and I think it's pretty much what I expected about America, just being that big country, but so diverse. It's a country, but you feel like you have so many countries within a country, so many cultures within the culture, and that really helped me because I wasn't really feeling like a stranger. Especially in New York City, you can find people from all over the places, and to me, it was just like I'm one of them. I'm not a foreign student. I'm not a foreign national. I'm just one of these people in a global society.
Absolutely. Well, our best wishes to you, and I know you're going to be a friend of the United States Military Academy for life, and so we're glad to see you have this great experience at West Point. Our best wishes from everyone at the world's largest veterans organization, the American Legion. Good to see you.
Thank you, sir. Good luck to you, too.
Thank you both. This is Ken Kreitzer for Sons of the American Legion Radio at the United States Military Academy.